Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. The Navrathri season is on, and during Navrathri, we South Indian prepare a lot of dishes, Sundal dishes for Neivedyam for Devi. In that, savory and sweet also prepared. For the Sundal, one masala powder I am making. I have already posted one masala powder in my blog rasavinsuvai.blogspot.com. Now this is slightly different, not much. I'll give the link of that masala sundal powder also in the description box. Here I have taken 1 cup of dhania, that is coriander seeds, half cup chana dal, quarter cup urad dal, 1 cup grated coconut, that is desiccated coconut, curry leaves, chili powder 1 tablespoon. According to your requirement you can take it, or while preparing the chundal, if the spice is less you can add 1 teaspoon sauf and quarter teaspoon cumin seeds, hing. Now the pan is hot. I am putting the dhania, chana dal, urad dal. Roast this till it is golden brown in color. I have already prepared and kept yesterday for the sundal. Little powder was remaining, and this can be used for making any dry sabji like potato, banana, flat beans, French beans. You can mix it with the sabji. It tastes quite good. And in the blog version I have added Amchur powder after grinding the roasted items. You can add Amchur powder, or instead of that you can add a little bit lime juice if required for the sundal. Normally it is not added. Yesterday I made peanut sundal, so I added a little bit of lime juice in it. It really tasted awesome. This powder can be prepared and kept in the fridge and used whenever you require. And for sundal we also put the masala like fresh grated coconut, ginger, green chili and cumin seed. They are crushed in a mixer pot and added to the sundal. You can see various sundal recipes in my blog as well as YouTube channel. Now nice aroma is coming out of this dry roasted item. We'll add the curry leaves here. Now I will add the chili powder on top of this. In the heat itself that will get heated up. There is no need for you to separately heat the chili powder. While roasting the dhania, chana dal and all, ensure that you don't burn them. The taste differs then. Now the hing powder also I am adding here, around a quarter teaspoon. Hing powder and all while preparing the sundal. For the tadka, while preparing the tadka you can add in that also. We'll add the sauf and the jeera. This also done. We will transfer this into the plate for cooling down. Now we'll roast the desiccated coconut. This is also done. This will also transfer it into the plate. Now allow this to cool and make a powder, coarse powder, not very coarse but not very fine also. I made flat bean sabji with mung dal. In that I have added this powder. It's really tastes awesome. The Sundal powder is ready. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you are watching my channel for the first time, do subscribe and press the bell icon and all so that you will get the notification as soon as I upload the video. Do try this during the season and enjoy. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.